So here's a little vinyl trick. If you put something on a shirt and maybe it was the wrong number, or you have a player that changes numbers and they're like, they don't want to buy all new gear. What I'm doing is I'm holding a mini heat press inside the shirt. So I'm heating it up from the back. And then I started off right by the edge to kind of warm up the edge. And then Lori is using her little scraper tool as it heats up to just kind of peel it back. And it is going to leave that dark mark where the number was, but that's okay because we're going to cover this up with a new number. But we just wanted to kind of clear the path or the space and remove that old number first so we weren't just layering right over the top. This is another way that if maybe you forgot to weed out the centers of your letters, you could also heat it from the back with the mini press. You could also use a home iron on its highest heat, no steam.